Hi everyone. In this video we'll discuss about DLF, a stock, which is given a very big breakout both on daily, weekly and monthly charts, and it is at a very crucial point based on Gann price and time squaring. So, first I'll show you what is a trade which is there and how we have seen a previous price and time squaring also in DLF. So now this is the chart of DLF. The stock has made a bottom around 319 and from there it has rallied almost more than 100 points or around 30% in matter of 4 trading sessions. So can these kind of moves be predicted? First thing. And second thing which we will discuss here is, today it is standing at a very crucial point. So I'm using a software called Gann Analyst Professional. It is widely available, free of cost. So what I am doing is, if you see the chart of DLF, it has made a bottom somewhere here around 24th of March 2020, and from there it has been rallying, and now we have seen a very big breakout. As you can see here, I have already drawn the Gann angles. It took exact support at this point, and from there we had a rally, and it is touching this point. Now, where is price and time squaring here? So first I'm going to time tools and applying Fibonacci days, converting Fibonacci numbers into days. So as you can see here, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, these are all Fibonacci numbers. See, at 144 we had a good fall. Around 233 we had a small bottom. Again at 89 a small bottom and a rally. And now we are approaching 377, which is tomorrow, which is 28 September. And it is already touching this important Gann angle point. So this can be a potential price and time squaring, and a good trade can be seen here. If I look at the price value, so again I'm onto the weekly chart and applying my my Gann tool here. So I've applied this bottom, as you can see here, exactly touch 428. This was the you can see Gann resistance 428, and the high it made here today was 427.9. So tomorrow is an important date and it has touched this 428 level. So we can expect some pullback to the stock around 400 to 388 once today's low is getting breached, which is 411. That will be a confirmation. So the plan which I'm making around DLF is, if the trend continues on upside, buy above 430 for a target of 438 and 449, keeping a stop loss of 424. And people who want to short, sell below 419 and add more shorts below 411, because this is today's low, for a target of 409 if you are shorted at 419. And then the one more target which I'm looking at is 388 and I'm keeping a stop loss of 424. So these are the levels I'm watching out for. A very good price and time, very good risk to reward on the short side is building up, provided 411 is broken. Below 419 you can do a scratch trade, but below 411 it will confirm the price and time squaring. Now, coming to the point, like this rally has started. So if I go to the DLF and I just go back 1 year back, you know, so you can see here DLF made a major bottom on 23rd September 2020. From there, it has been rallying, significantly. Now, similarly, 23rd September 2021 will also be a very important date based on the 1 year cycle of Gann. I'm just changing the date to 23rd September 2021. Which is somewhere here, this big day, so the low in this day it made was 317. It already rallied 8.99. So if I go to the daily chart and if I find a recent bottom which is here, you can see here on 23rd it exactly touched 369, which was our level. So again price and time were meeting. 23rd was a 1 year cycle, 369 was an important Gann level, and from there the rally has continued. So till 409, and the ultimate target for this is 450. But if 409, which is 180-degree point, if this gets breached, you can see a downfall. So the plan is very clear. Very important day tomorrow based on Fibonacci cycle. It has breached that important level. It touched today 428, very important level based on the cycle from which it started, 24th March 2020. And the trade plan is ready with you. Let's see how DLF behaves. We'll do a follow-up video if required. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.